In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Google Sites. First, make sure you're logged into the Google account that owns your site. Then open your Google site in the editor. You can do this by going to Google Sites, finding the site you want to use, and clicking to open it. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the site preview and the editing toolbar along the top. Next, look towards the top of the screen for the gear icon, which represents settings. It's usually in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the site settings panel. This is where Google hides options related to publishing, access, and domains. Inside the settings panel, look for the option labeled Custom Domains. Click on that. This section is specifically designed to help you connect a web address that you own. So you can use something like www.yourdomain.com instead of the long default Google Sites URL. Once you're in the custom domains area, click on Connect Domain. This starts the process of linking your existing domain to your Google site. You should see a field where you can type in your domain. Type in your domain URL in the format that includes www, such as www.yourdomain.com, but don't repeat HTTPs or anything before that. Just the domain part itself. Take a second to double check for spelling mistakes, because even a small typo can cause issues. At this point, you may notice that the next button is not clickable. If that happens, it means Google needs you to verify that you actually own this domain. In that case, click on the option that says something like Verify Your Ownership. This will take you to Google Search Console to complete verification. On the Search Console page, click on Continue to move forward with the verification process. Google will now show you instructions to prove that you own the domain. You'll see a DNS record, typically a TXT record, that you need to add at your domain provider. Copy the exact TXT value Google gives you, then go to your domain registrar's DNS settings and create a new TXT record with that information. Save your changes there, and keep in mind that DNS updates can sometimes take a few minutes to apply. Once you've added the TXT record, come back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. If the DNS has updated, Google will confirm that ownership has been verified. If not, wait a bit and try again. After verification is successful, return to the custom domain setup in Google Sites. Now the next button should be available for you to click, and you can continue through the prompts to finish connecting your custom domain to your Google site.